Okay, so the next thing we have to do for this front page is we do have to find the standard deviation. So I'm going to do it here on this blank paper. So for number 1, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down our mean, which is the average. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these data points, so 5 minus 14, and I'm going to square it. 11 minus 14 squared, 13 minus 14 squared. This gets written down twice. 14 minus 14 squared, 15 minus 14 squared, 16 minus 14 squared, and 25 minus 14 squared. So this mean that is here is every single one of these, and then these are all the data points that you have. And then we're going to put these in our calculator. So this is 81, 9, and you should not get any negative numbers over here. Everything in this column here should be positive. Okay, so that's 0. This is 1, squared is 1. This is 2, squared is 4. And that should be, oh, I did times 2. 25 minus 14 squared, 121. Okay, so all of these are positive. Now I'm going to add them up. Need to know their total. So 81, 9, 1, 1 again. I don't need to put in the 0. I have another 1, I have a 4, and I have a 121. So this is 218. That's this sum right here. I'm going to take this sum and I'm going to find the average. So we're going to divide by 8. And we're going to get 27.25. And then we have one more step. Over here, we squared everything. So we have to undo that action. So this final answer, we're going to take the square root of. And we are going to get 5.2201. Okay, standard deviation. All right, now we're going to do the same thing with number 2. Okay, so this is number 2. We know that our mean is 14.75. All right, and now let's see, 2 take away 14.75 squared. We're going to go down the same row again like we did in the first one. Take each data point, subtract the average, and then square that result. Okay, so 2, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 27 is my average. Gonna square them all. Here I get 162.5625. $7.5625. Oh, this needs to be a 13. 3.0625, and I'm going to write that twice, actually. Nope, I don't need to write that twice. I was thinking of the one above it. This is 0.5625. Okay. This is 0.625. $1.5625 and 19 minus 14.75 and okay. All right, so we have all of these. We're going to add all of these up. Okay, so we're just adding these together. 162.5625, 7.5625, 3.0625, 0.5625, plus 0.0625, plus 1.5625, plus 18.0625, plus 150.0625, and I'm going to get 343.50. Okay, and then I'm going to take that number, I'm going to divide that 1, 2, 3 by 8, and I get so I get 42.9375, and I have to take the square root of that. So my standard deviation is 6.5526. All right, there we go. That's the standard deviation for both of those on the front page.